Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video we are making these delicious dumplings. Stay tuned. Let's get started guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. In a mixing bowl, you're gonna add warm water, sugar and yeast, and you're going to mix that through and let the yeast ferment for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, in another bowl, you're gonna combine together some flour, some turmeric, a little bit of salt, and a little bit more of some sugar. You're gonna add some fresh coriander and your julienne carrots. You're gonna mix that through and make sure that it's completely combined. Once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and add half of the water mixture into your flour along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any sunflower oil that you have at hand. Then you're gonna combine everything until you have a rather sticky dough. You want to do this, I prefer doing this by a spoon first, and then once I see that everything is coming together, I'm gonna go ahead and knead my dough with my hands. I knead it for about 10 minutes just to develop the gluten. Then you're gonna go ahead and incorporate some margarine or butter. You can use salted or unsalted butter, honey, it's all up to you, to make sure that it's room temperature or it's soft so that it's able to be kneaded into the dough. And you're gonna knead it until it has incorporated into the dough. You're gonna oil some scuffing. You're gonna oil a container and you're gonna place your dough in there. Make sure it's oiled up all over so that it's easier to remove from the bowl once it has risen. Then you're gonna let it rise in a warm place for about 30 minutes to an hour until it has relaxed or doubled in size. After it doubles in size, you can decide whether you want to steam your bread separately or you want to steam it in a beautiful stew. If you want to steam it in a stew, honey, I did post a recipe of this stew, so please go check it out. It's the video before this one or right under this one. And you're going to braise or simmer your dumplings into the stew for about 45 minutes to an hour, and it's going to suck up all those juices. So beautiful guys, it's so fluffy. You can take it an extra mile by sifting the flour, honey, it's gonna be so delicate. That's the recipe guys. I hope you like the recipe and I will see you on the next one.